Artificial intelligence is everywhere, but almost nobody truly understands how it works. It recommends what you watch, unlocks your phone, filters your social media feed, and even decides who gets approved for loans, jobs, or visas. Yet most people still think AI is just a smarter computer program. The truth is deeper, more powerful, and more dangerous than that. Today, I'll show you how AI actually works, without confusing you. Chapter 1. What exactly is AI? AI, artificial intelligence, is not a robot, not a brain, and nothing like human thinking. At its core, AI is simply a system that learns patterns from data so it can make decisions or predictions. Regular software follows rules written by a human. AI doesn't. AI learns its own rules. That's why AI can recognize faces better than humans, generate realistic voices, create deepfake videos, predict your online behavior, write content and malware code. All of that is possible because AI doesn't need instructions. It learns from examples. Chapter 2. How AI learns. The simple explanation: AI learns using a process called machine learning. Instead of programming it step by step, we feed it massive amounts of data and let it discover the patterns. Example: show it 10 million cat photos. It learns what a cat looks like. Show it financial records. It predicts fraud. Show it human speech. It converts it to text. Show it code. It learns to program. AI uses math, plus statistics, plus data to make predictions. You may think, so AI is just advanced mathematics? Yes and no. The real power of AI comes from neural networks. Chapter 3. Neural networks. The brain illusion. A neural network is a network of artificial neurons connected in layers. These neurons pass numbers to each other, adjusting themselves until they get the right answer. Example: input, image pixels, hidden layers, detect shapes and patterns. Output, this is a human face. Each neuron tries to improve accuracy by lowering its error using a method called backpropagation. That means AI improves itself after every mistake. It trains like a boxer, failing over and over until it gets strong. The more data AI learns from, the smarter it becomes. Chapter 4. Types of AI learning. There are 3 main ways AI learns. 1. Supervised learning. AI learns from labeled examples. Example: give it 1,000 emails labeled spam and not spam. It learns to recognize spam emails. This is used in email filters, face recognition, voice assistants. 2. Unsupervised learning. AI is not given labels. It finds patterns by itself. Example: grouping customers by buying habits. This is used in market analysis, fraud detection, data clustering. 3. Reinforcement learning. AI learns by trial and error like a human learning a game. Example: AI playing chess or controlling robots. Used in self-driving cars. Game AI industrial control systems. Chapter 5. Real-life examples you see daily. YouTube, TikTok. AI tracks watch time, recommends addictive videos. Google Maps. AI predicts traffic using historical data. Face unlock. Neural networks detecting your face. ChatGPT. AI tools. Large language models trained on billions of words. Fraud detection. Banks use AI to spot suspicious transactions. Self-driving cars. Thousands of sensors. Plus AI prediction models. AI isn't coming in the future. It's already here and controlling systems around us. Chapter 6. The dark side of AI. Now let's be real. AI isn't just used for good. Hackers, scammers, and cybercriminals are now using AI in ways that are extremely dangerous. Deepfake scams, fake voices and videos of CEOs to steal company money. AI phishing emails. Perfect English. Personalized attacks. Password cracking. AI predicts passwords faster than brute force malware generators. AI writes viruses and ransomware. AI fake job scams. Automated recruitment fraud. AI can study your behavior online, your clicks, your interests, even your fears, and use it against you. That is why big tech companies are investing billions, not just in AI, but in controlling AI. Chapter 7. Can AI think? Short answer: no. AI does not think, it predicts. It doesn't understand emotion, morality, or consequences. It doesn't know the meaning behind the data, it just learns patterns. ChatGPT doesn't understand your question, it predicts what words should come next. Facial recognition doesn't know who you are, it matches your face to patterns in its training data. AI looks smart, but it is not conscious. Chapter 8. Should we be afraid of AI? AI isn't evil, but the people using AI might be. The biggest threat isn't killer robots, it's control. AI can manipulate elections, track citizens, silence voices online, spread propaganda, replace jobs, predict behavior. The ones with the most AI power will control the future. That's why Google, Meta, Microsoft, OpenAI, China, Russia, and the US are in an AI arms race right now. Chapter 9. The future of AI. AI is moving toward AGI, Artificial General Intelligence, a system that can think like a human and learn any task by itself. Experts don't agree when we'll reach AGI. Some say 20 years, some say 5, some say we're already close. But one thing is certain, AI will shape education, medicine, cybersecurity, war, and governments. If you don't understand AI now, you may become controlled by it later. AI is a tool, like fire, electricity, or the internet. It depends on how it's used. The smartest thing you can do is learn it, understand its power, and use it for good. Because whether we like it or not, AI is not the future. AI is the present. This video is for educational purposes only, and does not promote hacking, cybercrime, or any illegal activity. The goal is to spread awareness and digital security knowledge. Subscribe to Hack Only Evil for more truth about technology, cybersecurity, and the digital world they don't want you to understand.